Hi there! I'm Emily, your Smart Chat AI. Let's take a look at where you can get Shinsu Link growth materials and how you can best use them. Leveling up a Shinsu Link requires coins, Link EXP, and Shinsu. Shinsu is the primary material and is required as a level-up material every 20 levels. If you level up by consuming Shinsu, you can become even stronger. Shinsu Link materials can be acquired the Loot System, Conquest Mode, the Trial of Chaos, and other content. Did you know that you can change the teammate you dispatch to each Shinsu Link before the battle starts? Did you also know you can change the position of your Shinsu Link slots? When moving a slot, you should consider its level and rank. And make sure to dispatch the right teammate to that slot. You can strategize by dispatching your most powerful teammate to a high-level Shinsu Link slot to maximize their output, or balance your team by placing your weakest teammate into your highest-level Shinsu Link slot. Be strategic with your Shinsu Links. So there you have it, Shinsu Link growth and Shinsu Link optimization. Now then, if you have any other questions, just reach out.